Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover enum in Java. So let's get started. Enums. An enum is a special class that represent group of constant. Constants means that value we can't change. That is a final value. Okay. Taking unchangeable variables like final variables. To create an enum, we use enum keyword instead of class or interface and separate the constant with a comma. Let's see, and it should be in capital letter. So like enum we have declared, and this is the name of enum level, and this all should be in capital. So low, medium, high we have given separated by commas, and like this we can give enum. Now how we can access them? Like level dot medium if you want, low means low, if you want high then high. Okay, so here also we will give level, this name, and new variable name we can give. Enum means this enumeration, and it means specifically listed. Okay, let's try this one. Like this we want to access, we have written medium, so medium. Like we don't want to access medium, okay, we want to access low. Okay, then we will run low and it will give low. If you want to high, then means high. So low, like this you can use it. Remember, like this is the level, here also level, new variable name, and whatever we want to access dot let medium. Okay, now enum inside a class. How you will use? So public class main and enum here we have defined. Now public static void main, like where how we want to access, we will write same thing, and in system.println we will call this variable. Okay, let's try this one. So this medium we have, like medium, if we write high, okay, and we run, then we will get the high here. Okay, let's see, yeah, high. So like this you can use it. Enum in switch statement. Okay, mainly we use here because like low is there. When we are like here we are giving the where we want to access by. Now this variable we have given here. Now it will print this medium level. If this is medium, if low, here low is given, low level. If high is given, then high level. See the output, medium level. Let's try this one. Medium we have given medium. If we will give low, then we will run, and this low level will get printed here. And if we give high, then high will be printed. See, if you write like low, then what will be the result? See, it will give error. Okay, because this value is not defined here. Okay, loop through an enum. Okay, so the enum type has a values method which returns an array of enum constant. This method is useful when you want to loop through the constants of enum. So like this you want to go. So let's see. Enum we have defined. One main class we have taken, main method. Main method we have like level, variable name, level dot values. The method of enum. Okay. Now it will iterate with through all the value. First low, then medium, then high. Like this it is printed. So like this also you can use. Now difference between enum and classes. Enum can, just like a class, have attribute and method. The only difference is that Enum constants are public, static, and final, means unchangeable and can't be overridden. Enum cannot be used to create objects, but it cannot extend other classes. Okay, so we can't create objects and we can't extend the class or implement interface. Why and when we use enum? We use enum when you have values that you know you are not going to change, like months, dates, color, text, or anything. Okay, there we use enum. Please go through this lecture. If you have any query, please comment. Okay, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, or do share. Thank you. Bye bye.